Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about drilling, mainly related to CNC. Might have some interest for other applications as well. We're talking about drilling holes with multi-boring dowel bits, this kind of drill bit. These were originally developed to go in multi-boring machines, but are very useful for CNC work. We do, broadly speaking, we do two different kinds of drill. We do one with a lip and spur end, and we do, or a lip and spur tip, and we do one with a V-pointed tip. The reason for the two different kinds is the lip and spur gives you a clean entry hole, and the V-pointed tip improves the exit hole. Now, you probably will have experienced this on your CNC machine, but when you drill through with a lip and spur bit, because the end of the drill bit is fairly flat, the force on the bottom of the hole is quite great. And if you're drilling something like MFC, it can punch out the board behind the back of the hole. So what happens with a V-pointed drill bit is it goes through and then expands the hole as it goes through and doesn't tend to punch out the back of the hole because there's less force. However, if you're using a vacuum bed type machine, you probably don't want to use a V-pointed bit because you'll be drilling into your bed the whole time. So you'll probably carry on using a lip and spur bit. Two ways really to deal with the drill punching out the back. One is to slow down, is to do two passes. So you peck drill in, and then you program another drilling pass right at the bottom of the hole, where you start at the bottom of the hole and then go through very slowly to relieve the stress, and then it should come all the way out without punching the back out. Or you can just simply go down to just that very tip comes out of the back of the cut, and then when you're doing your hand operation later, you can drill back in the other direction with your cordless drill with an ordinary drill bit in it. Or you might find that if you're making carcasses or something like that, you don't even need to drill all the way through, because once you've put the carcass together with the dowels or whichever way you're using, when you go to drill all the way through, to put a screw all the way through that hole, it'll punch through anyway. And because you've got the other side of the carcass on the back of the hole, it won't cause any damage. I should just say we have some of these in left hand as well, if anyone needs any left hand ones. Anyway, I hope that's useful information. Thanks very much. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.